I have a problem. I like to build powerful farms, but I don't have the materials for them, one of these being slime. And my slime farm is kinda lacking, so instead of AFKing there for a few hours, I decided to spend 20 plus hours making a farm to AFK for less time. The plan was to make a farm that would produce more than 200,000 slime balls an hour. The first step was to find the location for this farm. I used a website to find the location for me. Now that I have the location to the place I want to build it, I will have to collect the materials and travel there. For the materials, all I will need to do is AFK at my raid in slime farm. One material I needed was obsidian, and I didn't have a farm for it, so I built a simple one designed by ENX04 to get the 20,000 obsidian that I needed. Now that I have the materials, all I needed was to make the trip to the location, which was only a few thousand blocks in the nether. Now that I am here, I need to make the perimeter, but there is a slight issue: there is a giant mountain in the way. So the first plan of action was to remove this mountain. As I'm doing this, I will tell you how this farm will work. After I make the perimeter, I will fill it with a bunch of portals with some pigmen killers on the sides of the portals where the slime chunks are, which will teleport the slime to the nether where they will be killed and the slime balls will be stored. Now that the mountain was out of the way, it was time to make the perimeter. Now that the perimeter was done, it was time to build the portals, but I decided to break the top layer of bedrock to get a slight increase in efficiency. After I did this, I built the portals. But before I light and slab the portals, I built the killing chamber so the nether isn't filled with slime. This was just a simple chamber that would detect the slime when they enter and kill them with fall damage and magma blocks. Then a flying machine will push the slime balls to one side, which will funnel them into the storage system. Now that I have all the slime, I just need a way to get other redstone components, but that's a problem for a future video.